For today's menu, we'll be cooking chicken broccoli with carrots and mushrooms. Alright, let's start by marinating this chicken. Put some Let's start cooking. Put the oil, then just saute the garlic and the onions. Put the carrots, then goes in the broccoli. Then just give it a little mix and add a little bit of water so that it makes it easier to get softer. Alright, now we'll add the mushrooms and just saute that for a little bit. Here we go, guys. We're pretty much done. Set that aside and let's go ahead and cook the chicken now. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, in goes the oil, then goes the chicken. So this is chicken, so it should cook really fast. Doesn't take that long. So I'll be sauteing this for 5 to 10 minutes. And in the end, that is how you know when it's cooked. Alright guys, so now that that's cooked, let's go ahead and add the veggies. And I also got a little mixture of some cornstarch and some water. And we're just going to put that in there so that it gives a little thickness to our sauce. Alright. Then we're going to add a little bit of oyster sauce. A dash of Lea Parent's Worcestershire sauce, and you could also add some brown sugar. So guys, this is the chicken broccoli with carrots and mushroom. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm just gonna garnish it with a little bit of pepper. And there you go. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, alright guys, and leave a comment.